Alright, up for grabs here, we have a 1977 Ford Bronco in an eye-popping red. Do a little walk around here for you guys. So this truck is located in Driggs, Idaho, just west of Jackson Hole. Current owner has owned it for the last 4 to 5 years. Recent maintenance included a transmission rebuild and a motor rebuild right before he came into it. It was definitely repainted at one point in time. And some minor sort of flaws here. There's a little crack in the paint, and then you kind of have your classic minor chips along here to the bottom of the rocker panels. And then there's one crack right above here, and we believe that it must have occurred while the carb rod was up or something, and the hood was closed on it. So it's currently got Arctic Claw winter tires on it. But looks like the suspension has been gone through. The frame is really clean. One of the other flaws here, it looks like the soft top itself, it's a Rampage. All in really good shape overall. But it looks like the zipper had come off. So I'm sure Rampage or they either sell just one of these skins or sell the zipper that could be replaced on it. So custom interior, really clean. Has this rhino line, sort of beige khaki color throughout the floor. Really nice, sleek, supple brown tan interior. Has a Tuffy box, gauges, and then the rear bench seat as well. Clean title. Again, it's a 77. And these are regularly going for $50K plus. We just had a 74 in here, all original. That sold for $52K. This one we're listing for $42.5. So as you can see, door jam information here, and mileage shows 37,681. Cannot independently verify that, but there's no reason that we have found on the vehicle itself to sort of give us any reason to believe that it's a false indication of the actual mileage. Again, the motor was rebuilt a couple of years ago. Get her fired up. One thing this should mention, had the classic dual fuel tank set up. Currently, the owner had it so that it's plumbed running strictly on the rear tank. Has a dual exhaust system on it, as you can tell. And I'll get another video. I'll pop the hood here and get a engine bay shot, but you know. Turn the lights on. Really clean classic Bronco. Not a whole lot of them out there. There's sort of original, uncut, and really classic ride.